More and more people are showing interest in knowing how to invest in precious metals. In this day and age, interested investors have so much more options to put their money on. For owned investments, you have stocks, businesses, real estate and precious objects like metals as examples. Usually, an investor will put his or her money on stocks that may yield high returns. He or she may also diversify by investing in liquid stocks so that a sure return of investment is achieved, even if it comes in not so large profits. But the market can become unpredictable, as it is highly affected by man-made and natural disasters and political issues that happen all over the world. And when anything bad in the world happens, the stock market feels the effects and reacts in a negative way as well. As a result, prices fluctuate and investments suffer. The only investment options that seem immune to this, react oppositely, their values appreciate, and stay highly liquid are precious metals. Therefore, it is extremely important for investors to learn how to invest in precious metals. As said by expert investors and stock market analysts, an investment in gold, silver, platinum or palladium can offset any unwanted loss or gain once inflation sets in or when the economy turns out to be in bad shape. That's because the value of precious metals, especially gold, goes up whenever currencies and other stock options bought with money go down at an inversely proportioned rate. Needless to say, anybody who owns a hefty amount of precious metal during an economic crisis becomes the wealthier investor, or will be slightly unaffected with the losses in his or her other investments. It has been noted as well that while the prices of other investments go down, precious metals become the more sought-after commodity in the market. Consequently, the investor must learn when the right timing would be to maintain or sell off the precious metals in order to achieve needed monetary gains. Additionally, the high and safe return of precious metal investment has also made gold an ideal backup for individual retirement accounts, IRA. Hence, it has been realized by many that precious metals are not only important stock market buffers, but that they are also stable trusts for a more secured future. If you would like to be one of the smarter investors, then you should definitely become interested on how to invest in precious metals and make an improvement to the way you diversify investments. There are actually many resources that you can find in the internet if you would like to learn. It would be even better if you try visiting websites of reputable companies that allow one to make investments in gold and other precious metals. In that way, you could get a detailed overview about precious metal prices over the years, types of precious metals one can invest in and get in touch with a broker through customer support. You may even get a free gold kit, delivered to you via mail, to guide you with precious metal investing.